Hi dear students, good morning. In Natural Resource Management paper, today I would like to discuss the unit 3, land. Okay, let's see, land. We know that land is one of the most important natural resources. Okay, land is one of the most important natural resources, and about the 1/4 area of Earth is formed by land. Okay, 1/4 area of Earth is formed by land, and this land is largely covered with natural forest, grasslands, wetlands, man-made urban and rural settlements along with agriculture. Okay, and this land is important to support natural vegetation, wildlife, and also important for is essential for to support human life, economic activities of humans, transportations, and communication system. Okay. And there are different types of landforms is there in the earth, like such as hills, valleys, plains, river basins, and wetlands. And like all other natural resource, okay, like all other natural resource, the amount of land available to human beings or living things is also limited. Okay, the amount of land on the planet is also limited, so we have to take utmost care when we are using this land, because we cannot, human or other animals cannot live, okay, humans cannot able to live comfortably for in an on polar ice caves or under the sea or in space. So we have to take that much care when we are utilizing, when we are using the land. Okay, if we use the land carefully, then that land is considered as a renewable resource. Okay, if you are using this land carefully, then we can consider this land as a renewable resource. If we are not using this land with carefully, then that land is considered as a non-renewable resource. And we told that this land support the natural vegetation. Okay, land support the natural vegetation, and the roots of trees and grass bind the soil. And if grass are all grazed or forests are decimated, the land become unusable and wastelands are created. Okay, if grass are all grazed or forests are decimated, the land become unusable and wetlands are created. And the intensive irrigation leads to waterlogging and salination, on which crop cannot grow. Okay, intensive irrigation and leads to waterlogging and salination, so that land is become unusable. And dumping of highly toxic industrial wastes and nuclear waste that will convert the renewable land into non-renewable land. Okay, the dumping of highly toxic industrial waste and nuclear waste that leads to conversion of land into non-renewable resource. That means the dumping of highly toxic chemicals and nuclear waste that leads to the land become unusable. And in all land resource, soil is a critical important. Okay, soil is critical important in the land resource. And over 50% of land area in India suffer from soil degradation. Okay, over 50% of land area in India suffer from soil degradation. And we can utilize this land for many purposes, and the utilization of land depends on various factors. Okay, when we are utilizing the land, that depends on various factors, like like the type of soil and topography of the land and the climate of that area, and depends on the human population. Okay, when these are the factors that depends the utilization of land. And there are several ways to use land. Okay, we can use this land for several purposes, for several ways, including we can use land for agriculture utilization, we can use for pastoral utilization, and horticulture utilization, silviculture utilization. Okay, these are the ways to use to land, including agriculture utilization. We can use for agriculture, we can use for pastoral, and or we can use for horticulture, we can use for silviculture. And in my coming sessions I will discuss about this, what is agriculture utilization, what is pastoral, what is horticulture, and what is silviculture.